Hello everyone! Maayong adlaw mga higala. I'm Mitch and for today, we will be doing red velvet cream cheese bars. Okay? So, you have here the ingredients para sa red velvet. You have sugar, butter, chocolate, dark chocolate. You have flour, 2 eggs, red food color, your leavening agent, and your salt. And then for the cream cheese, you have cream cheese, sugar, vanilla extract, and 1 piece of your egg. So first, let's melt the butter together with your chocolate. Pwede nyo siya i-melt microwave or double boil. Once the butter and your chocolate is melted, transfer nyo sa big bowl. Okay? You can mix your sugar and red food color. Okay? Set aside. Mix your dry ingredients. Your flour, salt, and your baking powder. Then, after that, mix na natin si egg and lastly si flour mixture. Okay? Eggs muna, tapos mix. Then, flour mixture. Okay, so once na mix na, get your baking pan. I have here 9-inch baking pan lined with aluminum foil. Lipat natin si mixture niya. Okay? Set aside natin and then let's proceed sa cream cheese topping. Okay? So I have here the cream cheese. Mix the cream cheese together with your sugar and your vanilla extract. Mix this one around mga 5 minutes and then let's add the egg. Yan. So, once smooth, lagay na natin on top. Okay? Don't forget to preheat your oven, 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake this one around 30 to 35 minutes. Okay? Then, drop natin on top. Okay? Then, let's bake. So, my red velvet cream cheese bar is done already. Pa-cool down muna natin and then we can chill this one around 4 hours bago natin cut. Okay? So, yan. After chilling 4 hours, ating red velvet bars, ito na. So, cut it, tapos pwede nyo na ibenta or pwede na kain. There you have it, guys. Our red velvet cream cheese bars. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Enjoy baking!